Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to share with you the #1 home remedy that can help you prevent tartar buildup on your teeth, simply and naturally. But first, what exactly is tartar? Slight emphasis. Tartar, or calculus, is hardened dental plaque. Once plaque becomes tartar, you cannot remove it at home. Only a dentist can clean it with professional scaling. So your best defense is stopping it from forming in the first place. And that brings us to today's remedy. The #1 home remedy, oil pulling. Oil pulling is an effective natural technique that reduces bacteria and softens plaque before it hardens into tartar. Here's how to do it. Take 1 tablespoon of coconut or olive oil. Gently swish it around your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes. Don't swallow it. Spit it out, rinse your mouth, and then brush your teeth normally. Oil pulling helps reduce bacteria, freshen breath, and prevents plaque from becoming tartar. Step 2. Brush properly. Brush twice a day, 2 full minutes, using a soft bristle toothbrush. Focus gently along the gum line because that's where tartar starts to form. And always use a fluoride toothpaste. Step 3. Daily flossing. Most people skip flossing, but this is where plaque hides the most. Floss once a day to remove the buildup your brush cannot reach. If you want to prevent tartar, this step is essential. Extra tips. Avoid sugary snacks, drink plenty of water, and visit your dentist every 6 months for a cleaning. By following these 3 steps, oil pulling, proper brushing, and daily flossing, you can reduce tartar buildup by almost 90% at home. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more dentist-approved tips.